A lot of people are calling it scam. So a lot of time and energy got wasted. Hair feels dry. Hair is feeling very wiry. Is the shipping issues made me talk to the team. The products did not curl my hair. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I just wanted to sit down and address a few things about Curlvana. I felt the need to do this because there are a lot of mixed reviews online, and since the brand uses my videos to run their ads because they like my content and my hair, a lot of the blame comes on me, and I get so many negative comments, DMs saying you're responsible for our loss, give us our money back, I'm gonna sue you, you are lying, you are dishonest. And there are much worse DMs and comments as well. And also on Instagram, I asked you guys to share your feedback about Curlvana so that I can help you guys in case it's not working for you. So I forgot to mention one more point. So I'm gonna address the issue only for the styling cream and the gel, not the shampoo, conditioner and hair mask. Even though for some of my followers the hair mask and conditioner have worked well, for me it didn't work the best. The shampoo, conditioner and the mask, they lack slip. So that's why I don't really reach out to them a lot, and I've also mentioned it in my review video. So this video is not going to mention shampoo, mask and conditioner because I don't use them. I love the styling cream and gel, so this video is about them. So now without a further ado, let's get started. So first let's address the main issue. So there are 5 types of people for whom the product is not working or who's leaving negative reviews. So the first and the most common issue which people are getting is the shipping issues. So a lot of people are apparently not getting their orders, and I can understand how frustrating that can be. I have helped so many of you guys personally, even though it's not my job. I have also spoken to the brand regarding this. So they had some stock issues initially since they got a lot of orders suddenly, and you know, these things happen in any business, right? Everyone makes mistakes. So they are improving it now, right? They have listened to your queries and they are working on the stock issues. So don't worry, you will get your order soon. You can talk to customer care if it's taking too long. I also want to mention that I get so many DMs, at least 5 DMs in a day, asking me why I'm not shipping their order. First of all, I don't work with the brand. I'm a content creator, okay? I make videos, I share reviews online. I have just made a video and they liked my video, so they are running ads on that video, okay? I don't work with their logistics. I don't work with the shipping team, okay? It's completely different things, okay? There are some people who also made me talk to the team. So the team I'm in touch with for Curlvana, they are also marketing team, right? They are the influencer team. They also cannot do anything about shipping, even though they did their best to talk to the owners and everything. So they are really sweet, okay? So all these things happened, and I used to reply to a lot of people. So a lot of time and energy got wasted because it's really not my job. My job is to share reviews online, right? And I cannot deal with each and every one of your shipping issues, okay? So that is the first issue. Okay, now let's talk about the second most common issue. There are so many people who are leaving negative reviews saying the products did not curl my hair. These people have silky smooth hair. They either have naturally silky smooth hair or they have chemically permanently straightened their hair, you know, this keratin and smoothing and all, and they are expecting the product to curl their hair for some reason, okay? And I feel tables have turned because when I was a kid, I used to watch these shampoo ads, Sunsilk and Clinic Plus, and the model used to have silky, long and straight hair, and I used to think after using that shampoo, my hair also will get straight, but that never happened because you cannot change your natural hair texture. And I keep explaining this to people, but still for some reason people feel the leave-in cream and gel is going to curl their hair. It's nowhere mentioned. They can clearly see I have naturally curly hair. They can see my page. I don't have straight hair naturally, and I don't know from where this is coming. I really don't know. A lot of people are calling it scam because it's not curling their hair. It's not going to curl your hair. These are hair care products meant for naturally curly hair. They do not change your curl pattern or hair pattern. Let's talk about the third point. So these are the people who have naturally curly hair but who have used this for the first time, like who have never followed curly hair routine, For the first time they are applying leave-in and gel and they did not get expected results. Guys, I really want you to understand that it takes a long time for your hair to get used to the routine and also for you to get used to the products and how to apply products, how much quantity to take, how to style your hair properly. It takes a while. Within first use, you cannot expect beautiful defined curls. That just does not happen. Even when I started, it was a lot of trial and error. And after 5 to 6 years, now I am able to style my hair properly. I know what works for my hair, okay? So it's a trial and error. Give it at least few months. And one more thing is that they expect the hair to look exactly like me. That cannot happen. Everybody's hair type is different. There are so many curl types and you can have a combination of curl types as well. 2A, 2B, 2C, 3A, 3B, 3C. There are so many curl types. You cannot expect your hair to look exactly like me. Your hair also can look good, but they will look like how you have it naturally. It will enhance your natural pattern. It won't change your pattern, okay? That's what I'm trying to explain here. The fourth type for negative comments is just a speculation, okay? So there are these certain comments which are very specific in nature. Like most of the comments look similar and they are trying to defame Curlvana and they are trying to promote their own products. So I saw a lot of similar comments. Another content creator friend of mine also mentioned the same thing, that there are some brands are trying to defame Curlvana so that their sales go down. And there's no proof for this, okay? This is just speculation. But if this is true, this is a very bad thing. I do not support this at all. I mean, if you want your brand to get better, if you want your products to sell, you should go about that by ethical ways, market your products, work on your formulation. You cannot defame other brands, you cannot bring other brands down. That's a really shady thing to do. Again, just mentioning, this is just speculation, there's no proof, but me and my friend, we think that this has happened. Even she receives such comments and messages. And it also feels like they want us to stop working with Curlvana, just trying to bring the brand down. Now the fifth type of people have curly hair, okay? They have followed curly routine for a while and the products are genuinely not working for them, okay? So these are the people I'm gonna help in this video. 5 types of people are done. Now let's move on to the tips part where I'm gonna explain how to make your products work the best, okay? First thing I wanna mention is that I'm sorry that the products didn't work for you. Not all products are gonna work on everybody, everyone's hair needs are different, so I'm sorry that it didn't work for you. But since you already have the product, I'm gonna give you tips on how to make it work the best. So one of the common issues people are having is that their hair feels dry after using the leave-in cream. So does your hair feel the same with any leave-in, like generic one, or only with Curlvana leave-in? If your hair is feeling dry in general, you have to address other issues. That means your hair is dry, so you have to use deep conditioners, use something moisturizing for your hair, so that will help. If your hair is feeling dry specifically with Curlvana, then I feel you live in a dry weather, because the Curlvana products are mainly designed for humidity. I feel, I don't know how it works in dry weather because I don't have the experience, but I feel that could be the case. If you are living in very dry weather, your hair might need richer products. Curlvana leave-in is very lightweight, okay? So I would recommend you to layer products, apply some moisturizing, very rich leave-in conditioner underneath, and then you can apply the cream. That's how you can make it work. And also use a lot of water while styling. Don't apply the products on damp hair. Make it soaking wet and then apply the product, because that's when your hair gets the most moisture. If you want more volume, less moisture, then apply on damp hair. But if you are struggling with dryness, apply it on very wet hair and then let it dry. Next issue most people are having is that their hair is feeling very wiry and hard after their hair gets dry. And that is supposed to happen, my darling. That is the best part. So when you apply gel or leave-in cream, whatever product gives you hold, it is going to give a cast, because that cast helps your curls to last longer. Once your hair is fully dry, you will feel your hair gets very stiff, right? That is called a gel cast. You're supposed to break it by scrunching, okay? That is completely normal, okay? It happens with all the gels. So there's nothing to worry about. Just wait for your hair to get 100% dry and then scrunch your hair and lightly remove the cast. As simple as that. Okay, so these are some of my tips. I'm also going to be going through some of the questions I got on Instagram. For most of the people, it's working really well. That's what I've got in my Instagram question tag. There are only 2 genuine questions, so I'll take them. First one is, leave-in cream after it gets dry leaves a greasy effect in my hair. And the next one is, it doesn't give any hold to me and my hair feels slippery even after drying. Okay, so both of you are facing very similar issue, I feel. So if your hair is feeling greasy and slippery even after drying, that means you're using too much product. Experiment with the quantity, use less product. Okay, ekdam itna sa lo, try if that works for you, because after your hair gets dry it shouldn't really feel very greasy. I mean, there will be some amount of moisture in the hair, that's how hair will look soft and nourished, but it shouldn't be too much. Okay, so in that case, reduce your quantity. And about the hold, if your curls are not lasting longer, that also could be because you're using too much leave-in cream. Okay, so reduce the quantity of leave-in cream because it's moisturizing. So apply very little, and if it's getting difficult to spread, mix water in it, apply a lot of water to your hair and then spread it properly. You can increase the quantity of gel, and don't apply gel on soaking wet hair. Okay, gel is supposed to give you hold. Don't apply gel like leave-in cream, aise mat karo. Let your hair get damp kind of. Pehle leave-in cream laga lo and scrunch and everything, and once your hair gets slightly damp, the excess water has been dripped off, that's when you want to glaze the gel. Okay, I have explained this in all of my styling videos. I also have a video explaining how to get the best cast with gel so that your curls last longer. I'll link it in the card above so you can check it out. So yeah, you can try this and let me know how it works for you. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. I really felt the need to do this. The brand did not tell me to do this. I'm doing this on my own because I just cannot take these comments sometimes. Most of the times I do ignore, okay, but I'm also a human at the end of the day. If I'm having a bad day and I keep getting those DMs and comments in my notifications, it triggers me, you know. 2 times I cried also because of this, so I really wanted to address these things. So yeah, anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and if you have used Curlvana products and if you're getting any issues, let me know. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.